In this short video, I'm going to be talking through some of the key aims and decisions behind our design and technology curriculum. DT is an inspiring, rigorous and practical subject. According to the national curriculum, the purpose of study of DT is for pupils to use their creativity and imagination to design and make products that solve real and relevant problems within a variety of contexts, considering their own and others' needs, wants and values. Through the study of DT, pupils learn how to take risks, becoming resourceful, innovative, enterprising and capable citizens. Through the evaluation of past and present design and technology, they will develop a critical understanding of its impact on daily life and the wider world. The discipline of design and technology is an interdisciplinary subject. In order to be successful in DT, pupils will draw on a broad range of knowledge across different disciplines, such as mathematics, science, engineering, computing, and arts. The three stages or phases of DT are designing, making, and evaluating. The design stage involves designing purposeful, functional, and appealing products for themselves and other users based on design criteria. As pupils progress through the curriculum, they will deepen their understanding of planning and designing products based on the needs and wants of a target audience. They will use a range of diagrams, such as thumbnail sketches, cross-sectional diagrams, exploded diagrams, and prototypes. When making a product, the pupils will need to select and use a range of tools to perform tasks, such as cutting, shaping, joining, and finishing. They will also select from and use a range of materials and components. Finally, a crucial part of creating a product is evaluation. The pupils will evaluate their product considering whether or not it is fit for purpose and how it compares to their planned design criteria. They will also need to investigate or analyse a range of existing products. Along with these three phases, the pupils will also learn technical knowledge associated with the project. For example, building structures and exploring how they can be made stronger and more stable, or understanding and using mechanical and electrical systems. Throughout the DT curriculum, the pupils will focus on a range of areas: mechanisms, textiles, structures, electrical systems, and cooking and nutrition. There is a balance of these 5 strands across the curriculum, and they provide pupils with opportunities to build upon their prior knowledge from previous years. I'll now take you briefly through each of these. This area of DT involves the use of mechanisms such as levers, sliders, wheels, and axles, as well as mechanical systems such as gears, pulleys, cams, and linkages. In Year 1, the pupils will first encounter mechanisms when creating a moving storybook. In Year 3, the pupils will make a pneumatic toy, which uses a balloon to draw in, release, and force air out. Finally, in Year 5, the pupils will build upon their knowledge of mechanisms, as well as scientific knowledge of air resistance when making a slingshot car. This area of DT involves working with cloth or woven fabric. The pupils begin the study of textiles in Year 2 when creating pouches. This will involve learning to thread a needle and sewing a running stitch. In Year 4, they will use their knowledge of sewing to design and make a book sleeve. The focus of this unit will be on fastenings to hold 2 pieces of fabric together. In Year 2, the pupils will be introduced to structures when making a baby bear's chair. In Year 4, they will create a pavilion, and in Year 5, they will create a bridge. As they progress through the units, they will deepen their knowledge of what makes an effective structure, including understanding how to make the structure more stable and durable. Another strand of DT is electrical systems. In Year 6, the pupils will use their knowledge of circuits and electricity to design and make a steady hand game. While the pupils will only have one DT unit with a focus on electricity, this is closely linked with the knowledge of electricity from the science curriculum. This final strand of DT is cooking and nutrition. In year 1, they will make a smoothie. In year 3, they will assemble fruit and vegetable skewers. And in year 6, they will design a 3-course meal. As the pupils progress through the cooking and nutrition units, they will regularly revisit the importance of safety and hygiene when preparing food. They will also learn about creating recipes in different types of food, including seasonal and imported foods, and how climate can affect food production.